first thing first, download JDK 1.8. Okay, so to download JDK 1.8, I will give you all a hack from where you can download the JDK 1.8. So I have this video. You can use this video to. So I have this video on my channel. I'll share this link to you all. Go in the description of that video, and in the description of that video I have given links to many JDKs. So those who want to install Java 1.8, those who have Windows, older versions of Windows. So this is a good stable version of Java 1.8. So this is my Google Drive link. Go there and they'll give you a download link. So once you download, the JDK downloads, the exe file downloads. Okay, so now go and install this JDK. So it is just a simple process. Next. Okay, next. This is the location of your Java. C program file Java JDK 1.8. Next, install in few seconds. It will install. Okay. No need to change the destination folder. Just keep it C program file JDK. Next, and installation has started. Okay. So it takes less than a minute to install Java. So once it installs, installed successfully, close. Okay. So after installing, we have to do some settings. Okay. So these are the settings we have to do. I mentioned them on my channel in the description. The settings are below. Okay, you have to set these 4 variables. So how to set these 4 variables? Go to my computer. Okay, click on any of your folders. This PC. Right click on this PC. Go to show more options. And go to properties. In properties, if you will see, there is advanced system settings. You want to go to advanced system settings. Okay, in that go to environment variables. In that, in the top one, there is one user variable, there is one system variable. In the user variable, keep on creating the variables. New, create a new. And now these variables you have to create. First is path, P-A-T-H. Is there any existing path variable? If there is already there, path is already there, right? Just open that by double clicking, open it, and just add this path of your JDK from your local machine. So in my machine it was C program file JDK 1.8 and the bin folder. So now you go to your application, where have we installed? So C program files, Java, JDK, bin. Okay, the same path. Copy this path and make an entry in your advanced system in the path variable. Okay, so click on new and paste this and OK. So this is path is set. Next is class path. Do we have a class path variable over here? No. Click on new and make a variable by the name class path. So and put in capital letters. Class path, and value will be the folder, the bin, the location of the bin folder. So where is the bin folder? So it might vary from machine to machine. So copy from your machine, copy the path from your machine. Don't blindly copy this path. This path is of my computer. And there, and paste, and give a semicolon, dot, semicolon. Okay, dot means current folder. So whenever we are doing our Java programs, it will consider that folder also a part of the class path. So do this one. Okay, so these two are done. Then next is Java home. So Java home variable path is your JDK folder path. So is there any Java home? No, not there. Make a new variable name Java home, and location is the JDK folder, not bin. So you can go one step behind. Go one step behind JDK and take this path. Okay, and paste it. And another is, last but not the least, is your JRE home. So in that JDK you will see a JRE also. In that, is there any variable by the name JRE home? Not there. Click on new, create one, and JRE home will have the JRE8 folder path. Okay, so if you go to Java, you have a folder by JRE8. So take this and paste that as a path. Okay, once all are done, OK, OK, and OK. To test whether Java has been installed successfully, just open a command prompt, hit cmd, okay, and just hit the Java C command. Java C means, if you see this rubbish, means Java has been successfully installed. And which version of Java have we installed? 1.8, right? So if you want to check that, you can check Java space hyphen version. What happened? Not create a Java virtual machine. Program will exit. But Java has been installed. Okay, just check with a single version. Okay, sorry, it was only a single hyphen. So what is the Java version we have? 1.8. Once it is installed, then now download Eclipse. Okay, the IDE on which we will program, that IDE is Eclipse. What is it? Eclipse. So let's download Eclipse also now. For the IDE, download Eclipse. So download Eclipse for Windows 10. Go to this eclipse.org. In that you want get Eclipse, yeah, 64 will also do. And then what, download, and it has started the downloading. 123 MB size the file is. Let it download. So meanwhile the Eclipse download, let me write a simple hello world Java code. So how to write a simple hello world Java code? First make a class, give whatever name you want to give to the class, give class test, and the main function of Java is like this. It has 4 keywords. Okay, and it has command line arguments as array of string. This is your main function. Okay, so this I'm using a normal editor, so I have to type everything. When you use Eclipse, you have shortcuts for that. And now over here you can do whatever coding you want to do. So the printf command, the printf or system, we had printf in C, we had cout in C++, right? That command in Java is system.out.println. System is a class, out is its object, and println is its function. And you can print whatever. So if we can run this, okay, the class which has main method is made public, and the class which is made public, program is saved by that name. So I will save this as test.java. So you save it anywhere, go to any proper location, not necessary D drive, save it anywhere. Okay, and you can make a folder by name Java programs, and in that you save it by the name of the class with the extension .java, with the extension. And how to run this code? Go to file, go to open containing folder and cmd. Okay, and now to first compile the Java file, Java C, and the file name .java. So what happens internally is Java will create a class file. So internally, when we compile and compiling is successful, Java will create a class file. Okay, so where are we? Where did we store? D drive, Java program. Now do you see any class file? You just see a Java file, right? So now see what happens in the background. If I compile this code, in the background you will see that one extra file will be created by the name class file. So this is what type? Java. And now after compilation you will get one more class. If the compile is successful, you will get one more file called as not class. Okay, and now to run the code, Java keyword and the name of the class file. What is the name of the class file? And hit enter. It will show you your output over here. Okay, this is your simple how to test the code. Let's see how far have we progressed with the downloads. Still quarter download happened. Okay, so to install Eclipse, this is one of my another video which will help you to install Eclipse. So download the Eclipse first from this website which is mentioned over here, Eclipse ID for Java developers, eclipse.org. So once you go to this website and download the Eclipse latest version from there, this is the download. And now let's progress with the download. Okay, installer. So which Eclipse, which to choose from here? Look at the video that I have shown. Use Eclipse ID for Enterprise Java. So use this. Okay, and click on install. Decide later on install it. So it will install it. Will ask you to accept the condition. Accept it. So okay, so this will show you installation complete. Then you can go and launch your ID. Okay, so this is your workspace. Workspace means where do you wish to store your programs? Where do you wish to? So whatever programs you will do, where you want to store. So you want to store in C drive, never store in C drive, because you should have extra. This C drive is for the operating system. So store your programs in D drive. Okay. So in the D drive, I'm making a new folder. Okay. Java. Okay, you can call it as Eclipse Java programs. So all your Java programs of, and never give a space while making a folder, guys. Give a underscore, give a hyphen, but never give a space. And now let's select this folder. So select this folder, and this is your workspace. So your workspace is in the D drive, Eclipse Java program, and then you can launch. So your Eclipse will now start. So I would recommend that we use this as an IDE rather than, see, if you also go to Notepad++, right? So this page will open. This is just a welcome page. Click on this cross and cross it. Close it now. Go to new and go to new Java project. Okay. So go to new project and then choose Java project. And now next, and give a name to the Java project. So I'm doing a demo project. So I will say demo. And now you can finish. Okay, no need to give open perspective, no. Okay, now you have got this folder over here. Go to src, and now whatever I did over there, whatever I did in the Notepad++, what is that? Whatever I did in the Notepad++, you can just copy paste it over here. But here it will ask you to create a file class manually. So go on the src, right click, and it will ask you to new and make a class. Okay, so what class name, what do we have over here? Class name is test, so make it test. Okay, and now once you have got the class test, now how will we make main over here? Very simple, just type main control space bar. What? Control plus space bar. So just type main and hit control plus space bar. It gives you the option of a main method. So you type main, control space bar. You see main method? And what did we write in the main method? We just wrote this, right? So now just copy it and paste it. Save it. And to run, right click on the file. Okay, first set the Java compiler. So it is showing Java 17, but we don't have that, right? So go right click on your application, go to build path, configure your build path, and you don't have Java 17. Okay, so set the Java compiler to your application. And what is the compiler which we have? Don't use this. We have 1.8, right? So you use 1.8, and this is one time activity. Apply and close. And now what you can do is right click on the file and run as Java application. There is an error existing, it is telling. I don't see any error, because if there was an error, now it would show green, it would show red line over here. There is no red line, so we can skip it. And it says demo not found. Where is the modular demo? This we don't need. Remove this. Okay, we don't need the modular demo. Delete it. Not needed. So right click on the main file, run as Java application, and hello world. How was that? Okay, so I have shown you all entire end to